How to turn off smart backup on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys, as usually, in the open Snap. After this, when Snap is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then you go to settings here and open it. And as you see, when you open setting, you will have a long list of options. You will go to memories. Memories, where is memories? Yeah, here, and open it. Then you will find this option in storage, smart backup. So you will turn off this option by clicking on this blue icon like this, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.